Tuesday, old school wisdom day. They say cash is king, but what if that's a lie? An old piece of wisdom from the days when cash was the only option was to save every penny. While that mindset has value in today's world of inflation and opportunity, a pile of cash is a pile of potential profit just sitting there. The new old school wisdom is that asshole just pulled right in front of me, messing my whole video up. While that mindset has value today, in today's world of inflation and opportunity, a pile of cash is a pile of potential profit just sitting there. The new old school wisdom is that you need to put your money to work for you. That's why we don't just save, we invest. As one of the great investors, Graham Stephan, says, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. What's one thing you're going to start investing in today or this year or next year or whenever you want to start investing? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Boom!